Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure you have cellular data, moderate signal, and at least 20% battery. Next, choose a connection method. USB tethering is fastest and most reliable. Wi-Fi hotspot gives mobility. Bluetooth saves power. Once chosen, plug a good USB cable or enable your phone's hotspot and set a strong password. Make sure to disable VPNs on the phone temporarily and keep the phone unlocked while the PC detects the new network, so drivers can install automatically. You now connect and configure the PC. If using USB, enable USB tethering on the phone. If Wi-Fi, turn on hotspot and note SSID/password. On the PC, open network settings, find the new adapter or Wi-Fi network and connect using the provided password. If Windows asks, install drivers or accept a new network. If Mac OS, approve the device in network preferences. Once connected, enable internet sharing or verify the adapter has an IP address, and make sure the firewall permits outbound traffic for the connection. You finish by testing and securing the connection, open a web page and run a quick speed test to confirm throughput. Make sure the hotspot uses a strong password and enable power saving on your phone if needed. Also restrict background sync to preserve data. If the PC shows limited connectivity, toggle airplane mode on the phone, restart both devices, and re-enable tethering. If problems persist, verify the carrier's APN settings, confirm tethering is allowed on your plan, and update network drivers on the PC. This often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.